Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Mason County, northwestern Woodford County, Peoria County, eastern Knox County, Fulton County, Stark County, central Tazewell County, Marshall County until 8 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Galveston to 4 miles southeast of McClellan to Astoria, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour. This is a radar-indicated threat. Considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and dock buildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Havana, Lewistown, Clayton, Eastfield, North Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Market Heights, Henry, Farmington, Tremont, and Elmwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 28 and 31, Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14, Interstate 74 between mile markers 58 and 102. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.
There's another warning here for Putnam County.
I just did it list Morton as one of the.
Here comes a warning here. It says Putnam County.
Did it list one of the Morton as warnings?
Here we are. See, it's right there. See, it's from the Quad Cities.
Did it list Morton as one of the warnings for
Yeah,
us?
Morton, Washington. It's severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Henry County and northwestern Illinois.
It's getting pretty bad
County,
tonight.
Putnam County,
Are you gonna put these
eastern
videos on
Lakeside
YouTube?
County, and northwestern Illinois until 8 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linden to near Tampico to near Galva, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
With 51 miles an hour.
Kewanee, Rock Falls, Princeton, Morrison, Hennepin, Spring
And,
Valley,
Sangamon
Galva,
County,
Henry,
Illinois.
Prophetstown, Depew, Granville, Walnut, Ladd, Wyanett, Atkinson, Sheffield, Annawan, Tuskegee, and Tampico. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 26 and 72, Interstate 88 between mile markers 23 and 44. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until